Hi guys, welcome to Funky Monkey. I'm Tharani and today in Funky Monkey, I will be teaching you how to make a star box. Now let's get on with the video. The materials you'll be needing are a 6" by 15 centimeters paper, which could also be just a square, and you'll need a pencil. The pencil is optional, but I just like to use it. And the last thing you'll be needing is your hands to help you fold everything. Now let's start. Now let's get started. For the first step, you'll just need your paper. Now turn your paper sideways so it looks more like a diamond. Then take one of your bottom edges and then just fold it on top. So you're just going to want to fold it into a triangle. Now you're going to fold it sideways so the triangle becomes more little. If you want, you could pause the video and fix your triangle. Now turn your paper this way so that when you open it, it opens to this side and comes back. Now take this half of your paper, and this part you can use your pencil if you want. I just like putting it through the cut part over here, and then I like flattening the pencil over here. And then I could just press it like that, take the pencil out, and then try matching the corners and folding it. And now turn your paper over and repeat it on this side. So I like using my pencils, hitting it through the hole here, flattening it out, taking the pencil out, and squashing it. And now turn it back over. Now, you see that your flaps are on this side, so when you open it, your flaps open like that. So you're going to close it and then turn it that way. So the flaps are on this side and flapping up. Now take this corner and then fold it like this. And then this corner should fold too. So then it'll look like this. So it was like this first, and then you fold it like that. So now I'm just going to repeat it on this side and back. So we're going to fold it, and that side, and fold. Then we're going to flip it over and repeat it on this side. Now we do it over here. So we get it. We push it down and fold. And now we're going to flip it just back over. Now, this part also I use my pencil. You could just use your finger if you want. So I take my pencil, put it through here, push it down, and squash it. I make sure the fold over here, this fold right here, is connecting to this fold over here. And I fold it. So see, as the folds are coming like this way, connecting together. So that's what I'm trying to do. So now I do it with this side too. I use my finger this time. And then over here, sometimes it just doesn't open, so that's why I use the pencil. And you squash it down. Now you're gonna flip it over and do the same thing with this side. Now I'm just gonna flip it back to this way. So now we're gonna take this corner and fold it onto this. So take this, fold it here, just like that. And you're gonna flip it over and take this and fold it here. So now it should look like this. I'll repeat the step again. So you're here, you fold it over, and then you flip it, and this should have 3 over here. So 1, 2, 3. You take this one and fold it over. So now there's 2 flaps on each side, and I flip it back over. Now, you should have like 2 folds over here. You're just gonna fold over that this way. And then same with this. There should be like a little fold right there, which I have. You should have it too. Then you're gonna take this side, fold using the fold that's already there, the crease that's already there, and then do this over here, and same on this side. And now I'm gonna flip it over, and it should look like this. Now you're gonna turn it over this way so the pointy part faces up. Now you're gonna take the first flap, the first one, and fold it over, connecting it with this line stitch. And then you're gonna turn it over and then do it with this one. So then you should have one down here and one over here. So now I'm gonna flip it over, take it up, kind of open it on this side, and then take this one and fold it down here. And then the same thing on this side, take this one and fold it down there. So I just want to make sure it folds properly. Okay, and now I'm opening it, open, bringing it like this, and then just folding it down like that. And then I just like unfolding this. See how it's going in? So I just push it out. And push it out. And push it out. So it looks like this. Now you just want to try to flatten the bottom of it, just like with your hands. And then you're going to fold the sides. And then over here, you're just wanting to connect this. Just fold it on that. Where these 2 corners are connecting, you're gonna fold it. And then it should kind of be flat now. And then you're gonna want to just fold it a little more on the sides here since it might have gotten unfolded. And then you're done. I got 2 colors because I was using a paper which was double-sided, and there are 2 different colors on each side. So one side had blue and one side had green. When I started with the materials, I was showing the green side. So these are some stars that I made. I will show you how to make these in my next video. So when you make these with me in my next video, you will be able to put it in your Starbucks. So you can actually call it a Starbucks for something because it holds stars. And this kind of looks like a stars, but it only has 4 when there's not 5. And also, I've made 2 more. This one looks more like a tomato to me. And this one, it actually looks more like a star since there's yellow. You can make them any color based on the paper you use. And also, if you're using white paper and you want the color to be on the outside and only your paper is one-sided. That there's color on one side and there's white on the other. You have to start by folding the white on the inside if you want the white to be on the outside like this. That's why I started with folding the green with the inside. So the blue was in the inside when I was folding it and the green showed outside. And that's how I got the blue on the outside and the green on the inside. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you can. And don't forget to ring the notification bell if you want to hear a notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching! Bye!